Okay, so we are going to explain midpoint and distance. And first we have like midpoint, the formula that we use is this one. x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. And here we are with an example. We need to find the midpoint of this point. And first you need to add like the 1x and 2 divided by 2 and the y's that are 3 plus 3 divided by 2. If we add this, we can have 2 over 2 and 6 over 2. This gives 1 and 3. This is the answer. So the answer is 5.
The first is the pointed lobe, which is expressed as y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then the slope intercept, which is y equals to mx plus m, and the standard form, which is x plus by equals to 0. And now an example. So, change 3. We can express it as change this to a slope intercept. Then we pass this to the other side. And finally, the slope intercept will be 3 over 5x minus 3.
Okay, so first we're going to explain the slope-intercept form, which is slope equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now we can do an example of this using these coordinates, which would be slope equals 6 minus 4 over minus 1 minus 3, which equals 2 over minus 4, which equals minus 1/2. And this would be the answer. What we do would be something like y equals 7x plus 2. And to graph this, we would do 2 up because it's the y-intercept. And then 7 up. And 1 to the right because it's over 1. So, and then same for this side.
Hello, I'm going to explain how to get the x and the y-intercept. First of all, if you want to get the x or the y-intercept, you need to substitute the other letter by a 0. That means if you're going to get the x, you need to substitute the y by a 0. That means that here, if we're going to get the x, we need to put like 2x is equal to 3 times 0. That because of the we're going to substitute the y by a 0 minus 12. Okay. And now you 12. That means that 2x is equal to minus 12. Sorry, minus 12. And then we pass dividing the 2 by negative 12, and that means that x is equal to negative 6. And now to get the now to get the y, we need to substitute the x by a 0. That means that negative 3y is equal to negative 12 minus 2 times 0. Yeah? So that means that it's going to be negative 3y is equal to negative 12 minus nothing because minus 0, but well, here we cross the x, and it's going to be y is equal to 2 to 4. And that's how to get the x-intercept and the y-intercept.